Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have to stay protected from the coronavirus, and that's why I made a video using African print to make a mask. You also can make one. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Busayo Shitsu Saladin here. Before I go further, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, 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 subscribe now. So hi, how are you guys doing? How are you protecting yourself from the coronavirus? Please, please, and please, let's all try to stay home, and let's all try to be safe, okay? These too shall pass. So let's try to make it pass faster. Thank you very much. Wash your hands, do all the things that is required of you, and I know very soon we'll get over this. We'll get through this all right, thank you. So today I decided to focus, or to it's an how-to video, right? I decided to show you guys how to make a mask. I already did a prototype. This is the mask here. Okay. All right, so I'll be showing you how to make this mask, and also I'll be doing for those in my neighborhood, because I know that people will definitely need mask to protect themselves. If anything, to let you know, or let you remember not to put your hands on your nose, your mouth, anywhere where you can contract this virus. So yeah, what would we need? Definitely would need fabric. I'm using African prints, so because I sew, so I happen to have quite a number of this, so I'll be using this. I'll also be using a lining, and I'm actually using different types, because I don't want a situation whereby you don't know which is the wrong side, or which is the one inside, or which is the one outside. So this is the one that's going to be inside, and this is the one that's going to be outside. And because I've done a lot of research, and I realized that just using two cotton fabrics is not enough to protect you from the virus. It's droplets, so I'll be using this is kind of like water, to some extent water resistant. If you pour water, if you sprinkle water on it won't quickly soak in. So this one I'm going to use as an interfacer. So I'm going to put this in the middle, and then put this. You kind of get my drift. And I got this, so you can also do this at home. I got this from one of those numerous bags that I happen to have in my house. So this is what I'm going to be using. I just picked the lining from the inside, the one that goes under. I opened it out, and that's what we'll be using. You definitely need a paper, pencil, ruler, and scissors, and elastic. If you don't have elastic, we can get ropes and use ropes. I happen to have elastic because I sew. So join me. So getting your perfect square is the first thing. Draw out all the sides that you need for your square. Get out 1/4 inch. Remember, 1/4 inch is the same thing as 3 centimeters, so you can use both ways. First thing is to get out from the square, the outermost edge, to get out 1/4 inch. Take this down from the sides, get 1.5 inch, connect this together, and then from the bottom, get 1 inch. This is where you're gonna curve together to get your center front, which is gonna cover your nose and your mouth. Then from the sides, get 2.5 inches down. This is where you're gonna get the curve that is gonna go downwards to your chin area. Chalk everything and dot everything together. You can use freehand if you want, if you don't have that more curve. Chalk everything together, and voila, there you have it. I'll be sending a link down for you to print if you want the printable version. So I get my fabrics, the three, the outer one, the inner one, and the interfacing, and then get out my pattern and take this and cut it out. When I do this, that means I get 6 in all, 2 for the outer, 2 for the inner, and 2 for the interfacing. Then I take out and stitch the interfacing and the outer fabric together, both sides. After stitching, I ensure to back stitch because I want to lock it. I don't want it loosening. So I also stitch all sides together, cut it out, do the same for the other one. Then I join the two together at the center. When I join together, I ensure to back stitch as always. All right, see, that's the center, that's the front. Then I do the same for the lining, join it at the center as well. Get my elastic, 6 inches is what I need. I need 2 pieces of elastic. Then I make sure that I reduce the lining by 1 inch. This is because I'm going to fold the outer one to pass the elastic through. Then I join the inner one, that's the lining, and the outer one, that's the fabric. After joining them together, I iron them out just to see how it's gonna look, and it looks good. Then I get the outer fabric, which is the African print, and then by 1/4 of an inch, I turn it inwards and iron it, and then pin it. Then I stitch. I make sure not to close the edges because this is where the elastic is gonna pass through. I do that for both sides. And after doing that, I get my elastic with a safety pin and then pass it through the holes. Once you pass it through the holes, do it for the second one as well. This is the one that is going to pass through your ears. Then use a pin to clip together. I used the zigzag stitches to run the stitches. You can use any other thing you want. I use the zigzag and I stitch. Remember to back stitch so it locks it in place. I do it for the second one as well. You can use a pin to guide you so it doesn't keep moving about, which is what I did in the video. And there you have your mask. So there you have it, your mask. Quick and easy. Put it over. Wow. Oh, covered. So everywhere is all covered. I don't know, can you hear me? It looks good though. And I can breathe through. Thank you for thank you for watching. And I think I got it messed up with powder, but it's okay. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, really guys, really I go through all this and you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel. Are you kidding me right now? All right, until next time, stay safe.